Inserting visible light images. Click the visible light icon to insert a visible light image into the report. You can import visible light image in two ways: associated IR image and inserting general picture. First, let's demonstrate the associated IR image feature. Click the image box under associated IR image. All thermal images in the current report will display. Select a thermal image to auto-insert its linked visible light image. Next, let's demonstrate inserting a general picture. Switch the type to general picture. Click the image box to open the file browser. Click Browse to manually import any image. The third image type is photo. Insert regular photos. Using the same browse method, the regular photo has been successfully inserted. Adjust opacity and rotation in the right side menu. Adding logos. Select a position in the report for the logo. In the right side Logo Image menu, click to import your logo file. You can see the logo has been successfully added. Adjust opacity and rotation in the right side menu. And set distribution type. By default, the logo is set to overall. If you wish to hide the logo on the current page, select Hide. The final feature is the ribbon. Click Ribbon to add a palette component to the report. In the right side Associated IR Image menu, select a thermal image. To generate a corresponding palette, we can adjust the palette's opacity as needed.